Hello and welcome to a new tutorial. My name is Daisy. I'm very excited because today I have a very fun tutorial for you. I'll show you how to create gold foil stickers using Cricut Print and Cut and a laminator. In this video, I'll guide you step by step from the design to the final product, so you can add a touch of elegance to any project easily. I'm going to go ahead and start with the tutorial, but before I would like to invite you to please support this channel by subscribing and liking this video. I'm going to work with the design in the Cricut Design Space program. I have already uploaded my design, but I'm going to show you how to create one from zero. I'm going to show you how to create one of these ones. I'm going to go to the shapes and I'm going to insert a circle. I'm going to change the color to white and I'm going to add an offset. I'm going to go to offset, to the right, thicker offset, and to the left, thinner offset. Apply. Now here we're going to add text or images. I'm going to click on the T to start adding text. This font is called Adorable. If you would like to use it, I'm going to link it below in the description. What I like about this font is that it offers glyph. So I'm going to add a glyph on the letter Y. To add the glyph, if you are working on a Windows computer, you will need Map UWP program. If you are using Mac, you are going to need Font Book. These programs already come with the computer. I am using my Mac, so I'm going to go to Font Book. Now, either on Map UWP or Font Book, you are going to look for the same font that you are using in Cricut's Design Space. I'm using Adorable, so I'm going to click on Adorable. I'm going to scroll down until I find the glyph that I need to use. I'm looking for a letter Y glyph, the one that goes to the left. I'm going to click on it, copy, and go back to Cricut Design Space and paste it. That is it. You can add glyph to your text. I am done with the text. Now I'm going to add a little heart to this sticker. I'm going to go to shape and I'm going to insert the basic heart. I'm going to resize it and change it to black. I'm going to add another offset and that one is going to be white. I'm going to go to offset and I'm going to apply it and I'm going to change it to white. And the design is ready. Now I'm going to select all of it and flatten. Every time we're going to print then cut, we need to flatten the design. Now I'm going to go to the size bar above and I'm going to resize it. This one is going to be 3 inches. And it's ready to be printed and cut. I'm going to erase it because I'm going to print these two and I'm going to duplicate them so I can print 6 at the same time on a letter size paper. The biggest that we can cut with Cricut is 6.75 by 9.25 inches. Now click on Make It. As you can see, we have 6 on the letter size paper. Send to printer. And to print these stickers, we're going to need a laser printer. So here we're going to select the laser printer. Click on the bleed and print. To print the stickers, we're going to need printable sticker paper. I am using Luxotone. This one works with inkjet and laser printers. It comes in matte and glossy finish. I'm going to link them below in the description. Like I mentioned before, to print these stickers we need a laser printer. I'm going to be using my Dell laser printer. This one is a very old printer, but I'm going to link an alternative in the video description below. Now we're going to place the printing on the top left corner of the cutting mat. You can use the green mat or the purple cutting mat. Feed it to the Cricut machine and go back to the computer. In here we're going to select the material that we are going to cut. There are two types of stickers that you can cut with Cricut. There is the removable ones and the individual stickers. If you are going to cut removable, select sticker paper removable. If you are going to cut individual stickers, select printable sticker paper white. I'm going to select printable sticker paper white because I'm going to cut individual stickers. If you don't see them here on your favorites, go to browse all materials, type stickers, and there you're going to find the list of stickers that you can make. If you want it on your favorite, just click on the flag and ready. Close the window. I'm going to select printable sticker paper white and I'm going to go to the machine. You can use any Cricut model to cut these stickers, but I'm using my Cricut Maker. I'm going to link all of the supplies used in this tutorial below in the description. To apply the foil, we can use the Minc foil machine or a laminator. I'm going to be using both to show you. I'm going to start with the foil machine. This is the Minc Mini. I'm going to preheat it on number 3. We also are going to need foil paper. This one is reactive foil. I am using Minc reactive foil. They have a lot of beautiful colors to choose from. I'm going to link it below in the description for you. I'm going to cut a little piece so I can place it on top of the stickers. But before, I'm going to fold a copy paper in half. Then I'm going to place the stickers on one side and I'm going to place the foil on top of them. Then I'm going to pass it through the foil machine. And it's ready. Let's see how it turned out. It's beautiful. This is using the Minc Mini Foil Machine. Now I'm going to use the laminator. I preheated for 3 minutes on the top setting. Let's see how these ones turn out. They are beautiful. There is no difference between the two machines. They are very beautiful and elegant. You can use them to close envelopes, either for wedding invitations or thank you notes. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial on how to make gold foil stickers using Cricut's Print and Cut and Laminator. If you like this video, I invite you to please support this channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell. Thank you for your visit, and until next time.